not my job to be popular. It's my job to deliver. Most important attraction for me being in service, that I can work for the people. Our machinery consists of real life people. Any exam, be it UPSC or be it West Bengal Civil Service, can be cracked. Basically, they are not rocket science, but they have a philosophy. A new officer should look for satisfaction of oneself. They are not testing your knowledge up to master degree. They are actually focusing on your knowledge at the graduation level, and on some key areas they are probing deeper. A good guru shows the way, but any disciple has to take the journey. The main mantra is Atma Dipo Bhava. Be a light unto yourself.